Good late morning, everybody. It's a bit of a late start for me today. Our car's been dropped off at the garage for its service in Hungerford. I'm heading to Coombe and then back home to Speen in Newbury. A bit longer than I should be walking, but hey ho, I seem to be punishing myself. So today's topic is, moving on from yesterday, we talked about pulling up on the left and why the examiners do it, and they can catch you out, etc., depending on where you pull up. The moving off is equally misunderstood. And the most common mistake is the signal. You know, the book Driving Essential Skills says that you don't need a signal if there's no one there to benefit, but quite often, 99 times out of 100, there's always someone nearby in a residential environment, so I'd always signal. But mirror, signal, then manoeuvre, follow that pattern. So what we like to say is POSM, so prepare, observe, if safe, signal, and then move off. The signal is not for the car that's coming from behind you. If you signal whilst they're coming at you, you will scare them. You might make them stop. They definitely might swerve. Think of them as a cyclist. They're coming along really quickly at 25 miles an hour in shorts and t-shirt. You signal and you haven't seen them, or you have seen them, but that signal's still going to scare them. So don't signal if someone's from behind, because you shouldn't be driving off. If you do signal, then realise it wasn't safe to drive off, just cancel it and sit there. The signal is for everybody else, people on the pavements coming towards you that might make a decision based on your lack or presence of signal. So that's it. Prepare the car, get your gas and clutch ready, in gear, observe, 6 checks, both blind spots, left mirror, up the road, right mirror, and then your right blind spot. So count to 6 from the left blind spot all the way around to the right blind spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it's safe, signal right, release your handbrake, and as you move off, keep checking that right side, because that's the most dangerous point. There we go, that's it. Topic for today done. I've still got 20k to do. I have no idea how Joe does this every day. There isn't a part of my lower torso that does not ache at the moment. Blisters are forming, and I've only got 20 days to go. There we go. Keep pushing, don't ever give up is what he says as a cancer fighter. Visit the link down below. Please donate if you feel this has been helpful or not. Thanks guys.